Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, e-commerce or e-business. E-commerce or e-business includes the websites available online which deliver your product. When you order from that, they deliver your product at your doorstep. Okay. So, e-commerce or electronic commerce is a method of modern businesses which address the business organization, vendors and customers to reduce cost and improve the quality of goods and services while providing speedy delivery. So, we can say in e-commerce or electronic commerce, they include the business organization, vendors and customers. They are no part of any mediator, that's why the cost is reduced and the service is improved. Okay, and they provide the speedy delivery, as I already told you that they deliver your product at your doorstep. Okay, so it is also said that e-commerce is the use of internet technologies and digital information process technology to create, transform and redefine relationship between producer, seller and buyer. Companies have set up their website providing the facility to order and purchase their product. So e-commerce is actually a type of shopping you can done online by using internet or digital technology. Okay, so in this the websites or the organization create their websites and transform and redefine the relationship between customer and the merchants. Okay, so the companies once they set up their website, they update their product time to time, they give you the deals, they actually reduces the cost because as I told you there is no mediator. The transportation cost is also less, that's why they deliver you the better quality product at a less amount. Okay, to transfer the knowledge of without paper e-commerce, following way are used such as EDI, that is the electronic data interchange, electronic mail, electronic bulletin board, electronic fund transfer and other network based technologies. These are the medium by which electronic like e-commerce is spreading online. Like EDI, once you open any kind of website like educational website, they send their data as an advertisement on that so that you can be aware of their websites. Okay, they can send you mail regarding the deals and services available on their websites. They also create bulletin boards. When you done EFT, like when you pay online, they also give you some kind of rewards so that you can shop online. Okay, next is you can see here, this is the e-commerce chain, how e-commerce websites are working. So once user go to their website, they select their product and then he or she can add the particular product to their shopping cart. Then after entering their addresses or phone number, the website take him or her to online payment mode. Once the payment is done, the request is sent to the merchant and the merchant pack their order in their warehouse and then it shipped the product and then the user received the product within 2 to 3 days. Okay, this is the particular e-commerce chain. Next, we are going to study about the property of e-business. So e-business is quickly becoming a way of life. It is important to know the various property of e-business also, such as time saving, online payment, increment in production, 24/7 support, access to a wider range of products, allow small business to mix with big business online, worldwide presence and report making. So time saving means you don't need to go each and every shop to buy a particular product of your choice. You can see multiple websites online by sitting at your own home. Okay, next is online payment. You don't need to pay by cash, you can pay online. The payment will be deducted from your card or your bank account. Increment in production, like once you order the product. Okay, so as I want to say that once the merchant receive the product, it increase the production. Okay, जैसे जैसे एक particular products का रिक्वेस्ट आने लग जाती है, लाइक एक ही प्रोडक्ट बहुत सारी जगह डिलीवर होने लग जाता है, क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्ड है ऑलरेडी. ओके, सो प्रोडक्शन भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट इज 24/7 सपोर्ट. इफ़ यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द सर्विस एंड इफ़ यू नो द इंक्वायरी ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट, you can have 24/7 customer support services. Next is access to a wider range of product by sitting at your own home. You can say that you can access the multiple products at a time. Like if अगर आपको एक particular website पर product पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो you can go through other website also by sitting on that particular place. Okay, next is allow small business to mix with the big business online. As you know that Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, they actually invite the merchants to join with them ताकि छोटे छोटे जितने भी business organization है they combinedly create actually a big organization. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है हमने जो particular product buy किया है that are the product from Paytm, that are the product from Amazon, that are the product from Flipkart. Actually there are multiple merchants available on that websites and they are sending their product to you. Okay, next is worldwide presence. एक पर्टिकुलर शॉप अगर किसी एरिया में ओपन है तो उसकी प्रेजेंस सिर्फ उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में होती है, बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ऑनलाइन तो वो वेबसाइट पूरे वर्ल्ड में आप कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज रिपोर्ट मेकिंग. The company can easily create a report online. Obviously, once you order a product, they save your data. Okay, they save your payment method. If you want to order one more time, you don't need to enter your data again and again. And they also create a report in this sense. Okay, next we are going to study about the traditional business versus e-commerce. Difference between traditional business versus e-commerce. The first is their meaning. The traditional commerce is a branch of business which focuses on the exchange of product and service and include all those activity which encourage exchange in some way or in other. And in e-commerce it means carrying out commercial transaction or exchange of information electronically on the internet. Traditional commerce के अंदर we go to the shop and buy a particular product, select a particular product जो available होता है उस particular shop पे. And but when we talk about e-commerce तो हमें कहीं जाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें घर पे बैठे ही we can access multiple product or multiple website at a particular time. Next is processing of transaction. In traditional commerce you can pay mostly cash, but in e-commerce it is automatic. Once you enter your card detail or bank account, you don't need to enter again and again. Just you have to enter your one-time password, that is the OTP, and the payment will be deducted from your account. Okay, next is accessibility. Traditional commerce is for limited time and e-commerce available 24/7 and 365 days. Okay. Next is physical inspection. Goods can be inspected physically before purchase. दैट इज़ द एडवांटेज ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल कॉमर्स. लाइक आप सामने ही अपना प्रोडक्ट देख सकते हैं क्या मटीरियल है. एंड बट इन ई कॉमर्स यू कांट see your or inspect your product physically. Customer interaction. In traditional commerce it is face to face, but जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखेगा वही आपको परचेज करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ द ड्रॉबैक ऑफ ई कॉमर्स. स्कोप ऑफ बिजनेस. For traditional commerce it is limited to a particular area. As I already told you that कोई शॉप अगर एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में ओपन है तो इसका मतलब वो एक्सेस कहाँ पे कर सकते हैं, उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में ही एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. बट जो ई कॉमर्स है दैट इज़ अवेलेबल वर्ल्ड वाइड. इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज. देयर इज़ नो पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म टू एक्सचेंज इंफॉर्मेशन इन ट्रेडिशनल कॉमर्स, बट in e-commerce they provide a uniform platform for information exchange. Resource focus. It is based on, in traditional commerce, on supply side, but in e-commerce it is based on demand side. Business relationship. It is linear in traditional commerce and end to end in e-commerce. Like I already told you कि once the product is prepared, ठीक है, उसके बाद they sell it to the mediator or the wholesaler, then the wholesaler send it to the shopkeeper, and when the shopkeeper buy that product, then the product is available to the customer. But in e-commerce it is end to end. The product is delivered directly to the merchant, to the customer. Next is marketing. In traditional commerce it is one-way marketing, but in e-commerce it is one-to-one marketing. Payment. You can pay by check, cash, credit card in traditional commerce, but there are multiple methods available online to pay the merchant directly from your card, directly from your credit card, debit card. Internet banking is also there. You can also transfer the amount by UPI, right? And the delivery of goods is instantly in traditional business, but in e-commerce it takes time. I already told you that it takes 2 to 3 days. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.